guys, welcome to my Admin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix your PC doesn't meet the hardware requirement for capture in Xbox game bar. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Guys, if you are facing this type of problem, first of all you need to open device manager, click on start menu, then type here device manager. You can see here device manager, click on this. In this you can see here display adapter, double click on this. Display drivers are not up to date, you have to update it. Just right click on this, click on update driver. Before clicking here, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, click here and wait for some time to update the driver. After this, close this one. Second method is open your Google Chrome. In this, here you have to search game DVR config download. You can see here first option releases funky fresh or slash game DVR config. Click on this. Guys, in this asset section you have to download this game DVR config.exe. Click on this. Wait for some time to complete the download. Open the download folder. After opening the download folder, you can see here game DVR underscore config. Double click on this. You have to check mark this option for software MFT. You have to check mark this and close this window. After this, you have to right click on the start menu. You can see here task manager, click on this. In this you have to search find broadcast DVR server. Suppose if you find broadcast DVR server, just right click on this. You have to click on untask. After that, close this one and you have to click on start menu, then search here registry editor. You can see a registry editor, right click on this, run as administrator. Click yes. After opening the registry editor, guys, you can see here HK local machine, double click on this. In this you can see here system, double click on this. After that you can see here current control set, double click on this. In this you have to click on control. In right section, if you doesn't find that, then I will show you how to create that. Just right click here, click on new. In this you can see here default 32-bit value. Click on this and you have to rename portable operating system. After creating this, just double click on this. If this value is 1, you have to re-enter the value as 0. Just type 0, then click OK. After trying all these changes, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting PC, hope your problem will be fixed. Guys, so in this way you can fix your PC doesn't meet the minimum hardware requirement in Xbox game bar. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.